What does it mean to give something or someone a second chance? In fashion, we rarely ask that question. A shirt tears, a trend shifts, and too often the story ends in a landfill. But I've come to believe that fashion isn't just about what we wear. It's about how we care, how we choose to extend the life of things, and the people our society has written off. So that's why I'm at Homeboy Threads today, in LA. It's a social enterprise within Homeboy Industries, the world's largest gang rehabilitation and re-entry program. Now, this is where discarded textiles meet people rewriting their own stories, where recycling clothes becomes a pathway to renewing futures. You see, every year, the average American throws away about 81 pounds of clothing. That's like ditching a whole closet without a thought. It's a reminder that fashion's impact doesn't just end at our wardrobes. It touches communities, it touches landfills, and it touches lives. So in 2022, Guess partnered with Homeboy Threads to create a take-back program where anyone could bring in clothes or shoes from any brand. I wanted to see not just the system, but the people behind it. So I sat down with Hector, a former trainee whose journey embodies what second chances can look like.
So Hector, what role does Homeboy Threads play in the larger mission of Homeboy Industries?
Homeboy Threads is a powerful extension of what we do here, giving people second chances. It's not just about textile recycling, it's about building purpose. Folks coming through our doors often need more than just a job. They need a new beginning. Threads gives them that, while also tackling a huge environmental issue. It's transformation on multiple levels.
What stands out to you in terms of the work that's being done inside the Homeboy Threads warehouse?
So what stands out to me is the intention. Every item is sorted, tagged, and tracked. Nothing's treated like throwaway material. The people working there bring care and pride in the process, and that's a big deal. Because for many, this might be the first time being a part of something that has real-world impact.
So from your experience, how do you think this work changes lives?
It's life-changing, honestly. When someone's been overlooked or counted out and gets the chance to contribute and sees their work matters, it flips the script. They start believing in themselves again, and that belief, that's the foundation for everything that follows.
So every piece that comes in begins a new chapter. Some are resold and worn again. Others are sorted by fiber, cotton, polyester, wool, to be responsibly recycled. And each garment is traced and redirected to its next best use. So it's circularity made tangible. Clothes, like people, finding their way back into the world of purpose.
Let's talk about the Guess partnership. How has that partnership amplified the work you do at Homeboy Threads?
Guess came in not just as a partner, but as a believer. They didn't just support the program, they helped build it. Together, we're keeping clothing out of landfills, but more importantly, we're creating jobs that lift people up. That kind of partnership shows what's possible when business and community come together.
Now, when you think about the future of Homeboy Threads, what gives you hope?
The scale of what's possible. We've already kept over 100,000 pounds of clothing ending up in our landfills, and that's just the beginning. We're proving that social impact and sustainability can go hand in hand. That's the kind of future I want to be a part of.
So Hector, I want to rewind a bit to your own personal story.
Sure.
What brought you to Homeboy Industries and how has that shaped your outlook on life?
I came to Homeboy Industries after years of being caught up in a cycle I didn't think I could get out of. Violence, incarceration, survival. I was tired. But walking through the door changed everything. For the first time, I was seen not for my past, but for my potential. That kind of unconditional support, it shifts your whole view on life. Now I wake up every day believing in redemption, mine, and everyone else's. That's why I'm still here, and that's why I give back.
So far, Homeboy Threads and Guess have kept over 100,000 pounds of textiles out of landfills. But the real impact is harder to measure. It's the economic dignity created here in LA, the second chances offered to people and materials alike, and the reminder that fashion, at its best, can be restorative.